A very good morning, children. Welcome to our English class. As we have done with our lesson number 3, Safe Again, today let me ask you few questions to test your knowledge to what extent you remember the story and understand the story. Can you tell me what is this story is all about? Very good. The story is all about a bird. Can you tell me what kind of a bird it is? It is a small hunting bird. Excellent. Did you know the name of the bird? Yes, it is a vane hover. Do you know this bird is also called as what? Excellent. It is also called as a kestrel. Now, let me ask you a few more questions. Who is narrating the story to us? It is a vane hover who is narrating the story to us, right? Next, what is the first thing it sees when it opens its eyes? Guesses, please. Yes, it is the sky. Superb. What is the first thing it feels? The wind. Excellent. Next, what is the shape of the beak it have? It is a hooked shape, right? Next, who is laying beside her own broken shell? There is another egg beside her own broken egg, right? Who came out of that egg? It was its brother and sister. Very good. And my next question would be, who brings them food? Their mother and father. How do they bring? As fast as they can. They will, as fast as they can catch them, they will bring. What do they catch? What is the food they eat? It is the mice. Next, where do they live? They live in a hole in the wall of a school. Next, what do they do by stretching their wings? We stretch our wings and flap them just like our parents do. So, by stretching their wings, they flap them just like their parents do. Next, who is there in the playground? The children. Who is pointing at the birds? The children, right? The children in the playground are now looking up and pointing at us. They are saying, look at the baby wind hovers. Look at their fluffy feathers. One evening after school, I hear a sound of footsteps coming towards us. Okay, now what did they do by hearing the sound of footsteps? What did they do? They shuffled back to the roost, right? See here, we shuffle to the back of the roost. Here, by hearing the footsteps, they shuffle back to their roost. Now, here are few questions which you need to answer. All these questions are being just now discussed by me. Let me read out. What is called as kestrel? What is the first thing I see? Who is narrating the story? What kind of a beak it has? Who brings them food? Who came out from shell? Where do they live? What do they do by stretching the wings? Who are pointing at the birds and from where? What did they do by hearing the sound of footsteps? So here are few questions which we have discussed just now. Please answer these questions with the help of the first page of the story. Each and every answer you can find in that page itself. Please answer these questions in your CW. Understood, children? Answer these questions in your CW, means English classwork book. Thank you. Have a nice day.